In this video, we're diving into the exciting world of Pinterest affiliate marketing in 2024. If you've ever wondered how to turn your passion for Pinterest into a profitable venture, you're in the right place. We'll explore the ins and outs of affiliate marketing on this visually driven platform, including how to choose the right products to promote and the strategies that can help you maximize your earnings. Pinterest is not just a place for inspiration, it's a powerful tool for income generation. With over 450 million active users, the potential to reach a vast audience is immense. By leveraging Pinterest's unique features, you can create engaging pins that drive traffic to your affiliate links, ultimately leading to sales and commissions. What's even more exciting is the earning potential. Many successful marketers are making thousands of dollars each month through Pinterest affiliate marketing. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time income, the opportunities are plentiful. So, stick around as we uncover the secrets to making money with Pinterest affiliate marketing and help you kickstart your journey to financial freedom in 2024. Understanding Pinterest affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where individuals earn commissions by promoting products or services from other companies. On Pinterest, this concept takes on a unique twist as the platform is designed for visual discovery and inspiration. Users can create pins that link directly to products, and when someone clicks on that pin and makes a purchase, the affiliate earns a commission. To get started with Pinterest affiliate marketing, users need to sign up for affiliate programs that align with their interests or niche. Once approved, they can generate affiliate links for the products they want to promote. The key to success lies in creating eye-catching pins that not only showcase the product, but also provide value to potential buyers. Effective promotion involves using high-quality images, engaging descriptions, and relevant keywords to optimize pins for search. Additionally, joining group boards or collaborating with other Pinterest users can help expand reach and visibility. By consistently sharing valuable content and strategically placing affiliate links, users can build a steady stream of income through Pinterest, turning their passion for pinning into a profitable venture. Setting up your Pinterest account. To kickstart your Pinterest affiliate marketing journey, the first step is to set up a business account. Begin by visiting the Pinterest website and selecting the option to create a business account. This type of account provides access to valuable analytics and advertising tools that can help you track your performance. Fill in the required information, including your business name and website if you have one. Once your account is created, it's crucial to optimize your profile. Use a professional profile picture, preferably your logo or a clear image of yourself, and write a compelling bio that reflects your niche. This helps establish credibility and attracts followers who are interested in your content. Next, create boards that align with your target audience and the products you plan to promote. Organize your boards by themes or categories to make it easier for users to navigate your content. To enhance visibility, keyword optimization is essential. Research relevant keywords related to your niche and incorporate them into your pin descriptions, board titles, and profiles. This will improve your chances of appearing in search results, driving more traffic to your pins, and ultimately increasing your affiliate earnings. Choosing the right affiliate programs. Selecting the right affiliate programs is crucial for your success in Pinterest affiliate marketing. One popular option is Amazon Associates, which offers a vast range of products across various categories, making it easy to find items that resonate with your audience. Other notable programs include Share a Sale, Rakuten Marketing, and Etsy Affiliate Program, each providing unique products that can cater to different niches. When choosing products to promote, it's essential to align them with your niche. Consider what your audience is interested in and what problems they might be looking to solve. For instance, if you focus on home decor, promoting stylish furniture or DIY tools would be a natural fit. This alignment not only enhances your credibility, but also increases the likelihood of conversions. Additionally, pay attention to commission rates and payment structures when selecting affiliate programs. Higher commission rates can significantly impact your earnings, so look for programs that offer competitive payouts. Also, consider how and when you'll receive payments. Some programs pay monthly, while others may have different schedules. By carefully selecting affiliate programs that match your niche and offer favorable terms, you can set yourself up for a successful affiliate marketing journey on Pinterest. Creating engaging pins. Designing eye-catching pins is essential for driving traffic to your affiliate links on Pinterest. Tools like Canva and Adobe Spark make it easy to create visually appealing pins, even if you don't have graphic design experience. Start by choosing the right dimensions. Pinterest recommends a vertical format, typically 1000 by 1500 pixels. Use templates available on these platforms to streamline your design process. High-quality images are crucial. they should be clear, vibrant, and relevant to the content you're promoting. Consider using stock photos or your own images that resonate with your audience. Pair these visuals with compelling descriptions that highlight the benefits of the product or service you're promoting. A strong call to action can also encourage users to click through to your affiliate link. Incorporating keywords into your pin titles and descriptions is vital for SEO. Research popular keywords related to your niche and seamlessly integrate them into your text. This not only helps your pins appear in search results, but also attracts the right audience. By focusing on design, quality, and keyword optimization, you can create engaging pins that capture attention and drive traffic to your affiliate offers on Pinterest. Driving traffic to your pins. Increasing visibility and traffic to your affiliate pins is essential for maximizing your earnings on Pinterest. One of the most effective strategies is to leverage Pinterest SEO. By optimizing your pins with relevant keywords and titles, descriptions, and even image file names, you can improve your chances of appearing in search results. This organic traffic can lead to more clicks on your affiliate links, boosting your potential earnings. Another powerful way to expand your reach is by participating in group boards and collaborations. Joining group boards allows you to share your pins with a larger audience, as multiple contributors can help promote your content. Look for group boards in your niche and request to join, or consider creating your own and inviting other pinners to collaborate. Consistency is key in the Pinterest world. Regularly pinning new content keeps your profile active and engages your followers. Aim to pin daily, mixing your own content with relevant pins from others to provide value to your audience. Engaging with your followers by responding to comments and repinning their content can also foster a sense of community, encouraging them to interact with your pins more frequently. By implementing these strategies, you can effectively drive traffic to your affiliate pins and enhance your overall success on Pinterest. Analyzing performance and making adjustments. To succeed in Pinterest affiliate marketing, it's crucial to track and analyze your performance using Pinterest Analytics. This powerful tool provides valuable insights into how your pins are performing, including metrics such as impressions, clicks, saves, and engagement rates. By accessing Pinterest Analytics, you can see which pins resonate most with your audience and identify trends over time. Interpreting this data is key to improving your pin performance. For instance, if you notice that certain types of images or topics generate more clicks, consider creating more content in that style. Pay attention to the times when your audience is most active, as this can help you schedule your pins for maximum visibility. Regularly reviewing your analytics allows you to make informed adjustments to your strategy. If a particular pin isn't performing well, don't hesitate to tweak its design, description, or even the keywords used. Experimenting with different approaches can lead to better results. By staying proactive and responsive to the insights provided by Pinterest Analytics, you can continuously refine your strategy, enhance your pin performance, and ultimately increase your affiliate marketing success on the platform. Conclusion. In this video, we've explored the essential strategies for making money with Pinterest affiliate marketing. We started by discussing the importance of setting up a professional Pinterest business account and optimizing your profile to attract followers. We then delved into choosing the right affiliate programs that align with your niche and highlighted the significance of creating engaging, eye-catching pins that drive traffic. We also covered how to effectively drive traffic to your pins through Pinterest SEO, group boards, and consistent engagement with your audience. Finally, we emphasized the need to analyze your performance using Pinterest Analytics, allowing you to make informed adjustments to improve your results. Remember, success in Pinterest affiliate marketing requires a blend of consistency and creativity. Regularly pinning high-quality content and experimenting with different strategies will help you stand out in this competitive space. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more valuable content. Don't forget to like and share this video with others who might benefit from these insights. Together, we can build a community of successful Pinterest marketers ready to turn their passion into profit.